Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about situation with Opendoor Technologies stock. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, press notification bell and let's get started. The current situation in my opinion here is accumulation, and you can see here squeeze happens and price come back to this level at 6.33. uh, In my opinion, $5.63 price could be a critical level for Opendoor stock. If the price will crash here and lower this one, maybe it's possible to crash lower. But again, I think the price they are keeping here, and they are not letting price go lower than $6.29. Look here, one, two, here three, but again here squeeze, but come back here. So, and I think here is accumulation, and after this point the price could go up as well. About fair and grid index, what's showing it, it is showing grid. People are greed because the price from this point to this point gain around plus 25-26%. About analysis rating is 1 year price target from $1 change to $3, and it's minus 60%. But I don't believe on this actually. So, but again, this is financial market and everything could be happen. But I think 100-day accumulation, and after it the price could go up. Let's see the date range. For example, from this point to current it is 78 days. Let's measure to 100 day. It's like here 100 day plus minus. Okay, 101 day. It is momentum 22 of December 2025 here. Okay, maybe the price will go down and accumulate here and go up, again go down, again here go up and stay here and go up, or maybe from this current point goes up. Okay, anyways, I could be wrong, I can accept it if I'm going to wrong, but the most important thing to earn money in long term of distance, I want to remind that the price of Opendoor technology from 50 cent to current point, it is already 1427%. So if you invested in these cases, my congratulations, you have a big profit. If your average entry point is even $1.21 for example, or $1, you still have 500% profit. So let's see who are the holders right now of the stock. The top shareholders, the last update, top institutional holders. The first place is Vanguard Group, and this date reported in September 30, 2025, and it's 7%. It's $530 million value. So the second place is, you can see, Renaissance Technologies. Third place is John Street Group LLC, but they hold only 2.74%, 2.71%, and BlackRock sold his position. Because I remember that BlackRock was been in the first one or the second place with 10% or 7% amount, but right now it holds only 1.49%. Goldman Sachs Group also hold this stock 1.46%, $108 million. We can see also here is Morgan Stanley included, um, American Century companies also, and Gecko Capital Management here with 1% only. About top mutual fund holders, Vanguard Fund Index, Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund holds 19 million shares, 2% only, and it's $152 million. About other mutual fund holders, you can see the names of top mutual fund holders and information how much they hold. Okay, and let's see the news right now if there is any. Let's begin. Can Opendoor's exploding D2C funnel drive to a capital light strategy? Let's see something here. Anyways, you can read this information. I will not read right now. I will leave the link down below. Should investors close the door of Opendoor? Wow, 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 they are talking about close. Of course, they are making people to sell because here is accumulation, and later the price, I think it could be go up, not down. If they are saying it's time to close the door, close the door. Okay, here key points. The stock is up more than 370% year to date on social media hype. 370%, it's funny that they are talking about, because actually this stock still right now it grows 1400% if I go to the 30 50 cent, or even 1355, and in momentum it was going to the 1800%, 1900%, 20 time gain, and they are talking about 400%, 370%. They especially reduce the percent of profit to make people to know that it's just getting started. Open to revenue and inventory are declining according to Q3 2025 earnings. The company is charting a new path for itself after a leadership shake-up, but it but is still vulnerable to greater economic factors. Anyways, go forward. What is the next one? Why open the stock could be going to zero? What he's saying is could be go zero. It's really funny. They are making to afraid people, scare people to sell right now, and then the stock price will go up without that people. I think if they are making the special news like this, negative news, speculation have been taking traders on both sides of this stock. The company's effort to push back on short sellers doesn't seem to be working. Again, they are talking about short sellers. Of course. Most investors seem to recognize that Open Doors turnaround plan doesn't actually solve its biggest problem. Again, they are excuses and they are just negative talking, nothing more. Here is how Open Doors You Sel plans to X10 the business. Wow, wow, wow. And now they are talking about X10, of course. And key points. Opendoor has become quite a meme stock with shares up more than 1000% from their my dear lows. It is 2000%, not 1000%. So it's almost 2000%. I already show here is 1900%. Let's see. I take measurement from this 50 cent. Look, look, here is a proof that the open to stock just from this 52 cent. Even look, let's make it correctly, from this 51 cent, and to current point, not current, I mean the highest point, all-time high of Opendoor, it's almost 2000%. Look here, 10.87. Okay, let's see here, 87, and there is actually 2000%. It's two times higher than they are saying, just more than 1000%. The company recently replaced its CEO with a former Shopify executive. In the company's latest engine, engines report, a new CEO disclosed the company's path forward. You can read all this information here, but you can see the news. Here is opposite, they are talking about X10, the business. On the other hand, they are saying that the price is going to zero. In this case also, it's time to close the door of Opendoor that they are talking about. Two negative news and one positive. This one is explains D2C funnel drive capitalized strategy. Um, by the way, here two negative and this one is positive. And let's see the last one. Why Opendoor Technologies skyrocketed 13.9% today after growing. Of course, they are talking about skyrocket. On Friday, the president of the Federal Reserve Bank of New York insisted more rate cuts are in store. The comments raised market expectation of the 25th bias point cut in December. Anyways, you can read this information. What is my recommendation? If your goal to reach its all-time high of Opendoor, then I recommend to hold your position. So I want to remind that we have reached the first goal of Opendoor technology here around $10, but right now it's correction minus 25-26% discount from this high. So please keep in mind before selling. So you could sell a $10 price as the first goal. If your goal is higher, then keep your position and let's reach this point or reach this point or even reach to the all-time high $38 and you can sell. Again, it's up to you. What is your strategy? It's based on your strategy. What you think about Opendoor technology stock? It will be go up or go crash. Please let me know in comments. I will read your comments. Thanks for watching. If you find my video helpful, then like my video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos from me. Now I am saying you, see you in the next video. Be patient and bye bye.